In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find drafts on Substack. If you've ever started writing on Substack and wondered where your unfinished pieces went, this walkthrough will make it crystal clear. We'll move from opening Substack to the exact spot where all your drafts are stored, so you can pick up your writing without hunting around the interface. Start by opening Substack. You can do this in a web browser or in the Substack app. Give it a moment to load so the main workspace is fully ready. From here, you'll head straight to your dashboard. On desktop, you'll usually see dashboard in the left-hand sidebar or along the top navigation. On mobile, it often appears in the main menu or along the bottom bar. If you're on a smaller screen, you might need to tap a menu icon to reveal it. The dashboard is home base for everything you publish and manage, so once you're there, you're in the right neighborhood. Next, look for posts. This section is where Substack keeps all of your written content together. Things you've published, things you've scheduled, and, most importantly, the things you're still working on. Posts is typically easy to spot as a tab or a clear label on the dashboard screen. Think of it as your editorial calendar in list form. Inside Posts, click on Drafts. Drafts is a dedicated view that filters out anything that's been published or scheduled, leaving you with only the pieces that are still in progress. This tab usually shows a count, so you'll know at a glance how many works in progress you have. Once you're on Drafts, you'll see titles, last edited dates, and sometimes short previews. This makes it simple to identify the exact piece you want to revisit. A quick tip to stay organized. Keep your working titles clear and add a short note at the top of your draft about what you plan to do next. That way, when you arrive at the Drafts tab, you can scan quickly and jump back into your writing with confidence. If you have a lot of drafts, look for sorting or filtering options to surface the most recent ones first. And that's all there is to it. Open Substack, go to your dashboard, find Posts, and click Drafts. With these steps, you'll always know where your unfinished work lives, so you can keep your publishing flow steady and stress-free. Thanks for watching, and happy writing on Substack.